I remember in the 80s, gold was $450 an ounce, and that seemed like such a huge amount of money to me as a kid. But if you bought into gold heavily in the 80s, when it was $450 an ounce, and you held it until now, you have holdings. That's the value of investing and holding your assets. But you can't do that if you're, number one, mired down in debt, or if you're not thinking correctly about how to invest, how to get that first bite of the apple. And that's what you're helping people with. You're helping them with their mindset on this, with the information they need to really prioritize investing. Because first of all, you don't have any opportunities if you're not actually investing, period. Like, you have to first get there.
Correct. And also, people don't realize you can put gold and silver in an IRA, and there's millions of people that have old 401ks or IRAs that are just in one asset class. They're just in the stock market. You can invest in other things. You can diversify. You can put gold and silver into an IRA. You can move an old 401k from an old employer into gold and silver. There's ways to diversify so you don't have all your eggs in one basket. You know, there's new things that you can put into your IRA, and I think it's important to look at each of these opportunities and realize that you're not stuck, because when you're ready to retire, you don't want to have just one asset. Everyone from 2022 to 2023 remembers the stock market pulled back substantially. And if you were retired at that time, if you only had one asset, you had to sell that asset when it was significantly down. So you want to have different things out there available to you so that you can protect yourself. And if you look at what's happened the last 4 years, central banks around the world have basically said gold is the asset we have to have.